Ignore Python multiple return value. Say I have a Python function that returns multiple values in a tuple. Is there a nice way to ignore one of the results rather than just assigning to a temporary variable? Say if I was only interested in the first value, is there a better way than this?
One common convention is to use a underscore as a variable name for the elements of the tuple you wish to ignore. For instance,
you can use x equals func0 to return the first value, x equals func1 to return the second, and so on. If you want to get multiple values at a time, use something like x, y equals func2:4.
If you're using Python 3, you can use the star before a variable, on the left side of an assignment, to have it be a list in unpacking.
The common practice is to use the dummy variable single underscore, as many have indicated here before. However, to avoid collisions with other uses of that variable name, see this response, it might be a better practice to use double underscore, instead as a throwaway variable, as pointed by : For example,